exactly. And then he was like, I know, like, that's so annoying. What the heck just happened? Noah, get up. Ugh. Why is it so dark all of a sudden? Shoot, do you know what just happened? I actually have no clue. I'm gonna go. Guys, everyone get in the house. It is not safe to be out here. We all have to go inside right now, and I'll explain later. What? I'm having so much fun. Mom, what's happening? Everyone, go to the living room. I'll explain. Go. I'm up. Why are the lights off? Exactly! And I was literally watching football. Why did you turn it off, honey? I did not do that. If nobody is aware of what is happening, is that there is going to be a huge snowstorm and it is hitting our state. Oh, you could have just told me that and we could have just moved. I don't want to deal with this. We can't just move. The snowstorm is so bad that the lights are just like all going out in our city. We have to stay indoor at all costs because there's also huge ice chunks flying everywhere. Mom, that's called hail. Yeah, whatever. And guys, we're just gonna have something really simple tonight for dinner because we can't really eat anything. The fridge doesn't work. So, oh my dog, that's great because I had a hamburger in there. Oh my dog. Mom, I'm too scared to go in my room. Can I just stay up here? Yes, and I'll just get dinner, okay? I'm going to sleep. Okay, it is time to finally set the table. One bowl there, one bowl there, and one bowl right there. Warm drinks for the kids. Kind of sad. Guys, come eat. This looks like such a lazy dinner. I'm here. I'm here. Thanks for the food, Mom. It was so good. No problem. It was super easy. Hey, Kimmy. Yeah, Dad? So, your mom went out to get groceries, and, just a heads up, okay? Okay, do I have to watch the little kids? Well, we're gonna be putting them back to sleep after Mom comes back, okay? Let's go play. Okay. I cannot deal with no internet or Wi-Fi. I cannot deal with this anymore. 15 minutes pass. Kimmy. Wake up. Is Mom back? So that's what we're gonna talk about. I'm confused. So she went out, to get groceries. She hasn't come back in 15 minutes, and she was only getting a couple of things. So, Dad, why did you wake me up to tell me this? I just want to go back to sleep. Okay, well, I was gonna ask your phone if I could call 911 because my phone had broke on accident. Okay, can I just use it? Why are you calling the police? She's been gone for 15 minutes. Just please let me have it. Okay, there you go. Thank you. I'm kind of worried for Mom. What if she oh my God. What if her car got stuck in the middle of nowhere? Oh. What is your emergency? So my wife went out to get groceries and she hasn't came back in about 30 minutes now. And this is usually not normal because she's just getting a couple of things. Okay, so where is she, do you think? Well, I have no clue. I'm calling on my daughter's phone. And, like, nothing works. Okay, we will try searching for her, okay? Okay. Ugh. I really hope she's okay. The next morning. Who is calling me now? Hello? This is 911 and we have found your mother. Who's this? We just said that this is 911. Oh, okay. So where is she? Is she, like, at my house? Is she at home? So that is what we wanted to talk to you about. What are you trying to say? So your wife has been found in the car in the middle of nowhere, close to the grocery shop. And there was snow blocking the engine, so she died of coldness. She what? What? No, like, actually, you're joking. Like, this is a prank call. You're joking. I'm so sorry, ma'am, for your loss, but, you shouldn't be thinking this is a prank call. What? Dad? What happened with Mom? Yeah, so are you gonna tell me? Honey, what do you mean? I'm sweeping up the floor. The police called me saying that Mom died. What? I gave your phone back to you last night, but you're actually... Come, Cammy? See, you're joking right now. I'm not, and I didn't even say that. I didn't even have a chance to say goodbye. Oh my... So, like, how did she just die? They said that there was so much snow and she got stuck next to the store and the snow piled up in her engine. So, she died of coldness. That is, like, the worst way to possibly die. I was gonna say I'm gonna step outside for a second, but I just realized I couldn't. I'll be right back. Really hope that was the wrong number that they were calling. Bzz, bzz, bzz. What the heck? Hello? I'm sorry, who's this? If this is gonna be about my mom again, I do not want to hear it. So basically we actually had the wrong number. I am so sorry. But this is the right number this time, right? This is, blah, 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 blah. So she was actually locked in the store. So who are you calling and whose mom died? So that is actually not any of your business. This is not meant in a rude way at all. Okay, well, wait, where's my mom? She is riding home right now. Oh my god, thank you so much. Dad. Yes, Kimmy. I got called back and the cops said that they had the wrong number and that Mom was just locked in the store in the middle of the night, apparently. I don't know. And she's heading back in the cop car right now. She's coming home. She's alive? Yes, she's alive and I'm so happy. This is the best day of my life. Oh my god. How did I get it? You know she's not here right now. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna wait by the door. Why is it so loud? I know, why is it so loud? You literally woke us up. Oh my goodness, hi guys. Oh my god, Mom. Mommy, you're back. I got the groceries, like I said. I got locked in the store. I'm so sorry for scaring you like that. We thought you died. What? Why? The police literally called the wrong number saying that you got snow in your engine and you died of like frostbite. Oh my god, that would scare the crap out of me. I'm so sorry guys. We're okay now though. That's good.